Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing graphics design tutorial. And today we're going to check out some top 4 editing tools which you might be needing them as a graphics designer. And on this kind of video today, we're going to basically talk about those kind of tools whereby they're a little bit minimal and they can get your work done ASAP without you needing that kind of much powerful computer. Now I'm targeting for those people who their computers, they're a little bit low end and they want to just do design. Now all this kind of stuff, they're all on the websites, and you're gonna interact with them on the web. Now don't worry about that. For further info, let's just get started. So our first website on the list goes to remove.bg. Now as you can see guys, remove.bg is something which is so amazing from this. It's like if you're using Photoshop, you have just to cut all your pictures, or using pen tool or lasso tool, or depending on that kind of tool which you'd like. Now it takes time, but on this kind of website it helps you remove the background. But first thing first, let's go to Unsplash and find any background or any image with the background, especially when it comes to models. Now you have a model, you have taken a picture, but remember that Unsplash is a free website. Now I'm gonna just select a certain picture which looks very great. I think this one looks more good. Now I'm gonna just pick up my picture like this one. We'll just download it ASAP. Then we're gonna just save our picture. On the moment, I think it's done. Okay, it's done downloading. Now just upload your image. Go to the image on the download, on the section whereby you save it. Now it's just preparing, and in a moment, just give it some time. It's just processing the background and stuff like that. You're gonna see how it is. Now on this kind of picture, just check it out how it does. It just removed the background ASAP, just like that, very quick. Instead of you using bunch of times using Photoshop, you can just use only remove.bg. So I give it go for the remove.bg. Hey, jumping out to the second website which is so impressive, which I hope that you gonna need it. Now this is called the socialize.io. Now socialize.io, what they have is just that if you don't know any size of banners or pictures or any size of format whereby social media recommends you to use it, so as your picture cannot be cropped or torn out of it and lose that kind of resolution, well, socialize.io got you covered. Definitely. Now if you want to just check it out everything, you can just click all. You can see everything from all in one. Now you can download the XD file or download file or even the sketch file, but I recommend just check it out other ones which you think it's too dope. But it shows you everything from all networks in one file. If I just click on the download, if I'm using XD, then again I can just select other, then again just go and select the XD file. But for time being, let me just click OK. Then XD will just open ASAP on its own. Now I think to my own kind of aspect for this kind of thing, it's so impressive and it makes the workflow become so smooth. You can see all the sizes just loading up in a moment. And let me just zoom in so as some of you guys can just see that. You can see Instagram size recommends you 1200 by 1200 pixels, which is something which is so impressive. The stories how it is, and even the profile how it looks like 720 by 720. So you get tons and tons of stuff. But if you want to just only stand alone and you just want to just download only Facebook, that's your thing. You can just download on the PSD. If you're having Photoshop, if you're having Adobe XD, just download the XD. It will be much great. Now the socialize.io gives you those kind of stuff which you're gonna love, and I give it go. Okay, another kind of website which is my favorite, which looks like Photoshop, not looks like Photoshop, but works like Photoshop. Even the shortcut keys, they just resembles like Photoshop. Everything just looks like Photoshop. This is PhotoPea. It's called photopea.com, which is quite impressive. Now this comes from the people who they actually don't have that kind of much high-end graphics drivers or graphics card on their machine. Sorry, not graphics drivers, but graphics card on their machine, which does not maintain that kind of suitable designs, or you can just do any design on your machine. Now you can just use a browser by using only PhotoPea. The only downside is you'll need internet on the go. Now if you don't have internet, that's a problem, but for the meantime, if you have internet, well, you can see how much PhotoPea it is. You can just click file, new. You can see how much the interface looks like. Well, it looks not bad, looks very decent. You can select any type of size you'd like. If it's A5, now if if it's A5, you can see dimension. There's not anything called like reverse, like landscape and stuff. You can just change the values between width and height. Now you can just click create, then you have your layout there. Now you can play around with each tool you'd like normal Photoshop, how you can do it, and you can see how much the click and even the M or even the V, how much they just all interact. They all interact in a good precision, and if you have a good internet, everything will just be slightly great, and you can see the properties, how it is. Man, this looks like Photoshop definitely, but shout out to PhotoPea for what they did. This, I think it's quite impressive, and you can even open the PSD files. Now don't worry about that, just click on file, then click open. If you have any PSD file, let me just go here, and I think I have one. You can see it's just loading up there. It is, you can see, you can just change everything from my kind of coffee, Kingsley coffee, and you can just click auto select. You can click this up, you can click this one, you can move anything you'd like on the go. This is so amazing. So this is the most kind of incredible website on the list, which I think to my own kind of aspect will be saving a bunch of your times if you don't have that kind of high-end machine. For the meantime, even if you're having a Chrome OS on the go, you're traveling, you want to just edit some stuffs minimal, you can just go to photopea.com. though there'll be a bunch of advertisement, don't worry about that, they won't disturb your artwork, but yeah, that's what's gonna happen on Photopea. Another kind of website on the list goes to number 4. This is called Pixlr.com. Well, Pixlr.com is such an amazing kind of website which can help you as a graphics designer to understand each kind of assets or each kind of impact throughout, how much you can just adjust your pictures, do this and here. This I can call it is like a Lightroom of the web, though there is a little bit of a drop by whenever you're just sliding it out and waiting for the changes. You just have to wait for it to make an impact, so as you can know in which kind of situation or in each kind of value you have changed just interacts or corresponds on what you're doing. Now on this kind of stuff, you can see I'm adding too much of saturation on my picture. I can change the temperature to make it cold. I can even change the hue, and so as I can get an amazing picture just like this one with some simple touches just like that. It's just amazing. Now the Pixlr.com, it's such an amazing kind of website whereby you can just do bunch of stuffs, and I know what kind of question you're gonna ask me: how do you export everything? Well, just click apply on your picture, the picture will be applied, then click on save, then you can see that you're saving your pictures. By this way you can select the quality. If it's 100%, you can just click download, and it's been downloaded on the go, and you're done. I guess it has been downloaded. Voila, there we are having it. You can see we are having our picture there with a high-end resolution, which is incredible. So I think to my own kind of aspect for this kind of tutorial of today, you have learned something which is so quite amazing, that this website, they're quite impressive, so as you can just go and check them out and play them with them around, so as you can learn something kind of great. So thank you guys for watching. If you love this video of today, make sure that you hit the thumbs up. You're new here, my name is Abdurrahim13. Consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I'll really appreciate on that. And don't forget about the giveaway. This giveaway, it might be for you, the one who are watching this video. Make sure that you check out the giveaway. Follow me on my Instagram account, subscribe on my YouTube, subscribe on my YouTube channel. First thing first, subscribe on YouTube channel. Too many people ask me about the giveaway. How do you do it? How do you join it? Please everybody, the poster which I sent, it explains everything. If you ask me another question, I'll be like telling you the answers. Is like a teacher gives you an exam and you're trying to ask him or telling them that, hey, you know this question how it goes. Teacher might be telling you an answer, so you just don't want to do that. If you do that, you're out of the giveaway. So don't just WhatsApp me or send me SMS or DM me and ask me too many questions about the giveaway. The giveaway just explains its own self. I'm sorry if I just said something which doesn't switch or corresponds on that kind of stuff. Terms and condition applied. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll be catching you guys on the next one, and peace.